First, you want to start with our Moisturizing Black Soap Shampoo. And to get the best usage out of this shampoo, we do recommend that you part your child's hair in sections and tackle the head one section at a time, and make sure that the hair is soaking wet before applying the shampoo. So as you see in the video, I've parted Reagan's hair in sections, and I'm working the shampoo into her scalp and bringing the product and finger detangling the product down into her hair. Our Moisturizing Black Soap Shampoo is extremely slippery. Next, you want to rinse the shampoo out of the child's hair and apply the Avocado and Banana Deep Conditioner to the child's hair in sections. Everything that you do when applying products should be applied in sections. You never want to try to tackle the child's entire head because product will not be evenly applied to the hair. So you want to make sure you part the hair in sections, as you see that I'm doing here in the video, and applying the Avocado and Banana Deep Conditioner to Reagan's hair. Oh my gosh, this Avocado and Banana Deep Conditioner melts inside of your child's hair like butter. It softens the hair up immediately. And as you see in the video, I'm really applying the conditioner from the roots to the ends of Reagan's hair and working the product through and going throughout the entire section of her hair and doing the same thing. Next, you'll see that I'm using the Nourishing Growth Oil. So with our deep conditioning treatments, we give that Avocado and Banana Deep Conditioner an extra boost, and we do a hot oil treatment at the same time of doing our deep conditioning treatment with the Avocado and Banana Deep Conditioner. They're both doing the same thing, right? So why not kill two birds in one stone and do a hot oil treatment on your curly cutie along with a deep conditioning treatment as well. You want to focus on the ends, applying the oil to the ends of your child's hair and applying the oil to the scalp and the hair as well. Continue to apply the product in that very same order, applying the Avocado and Banana Deep Conditioner to your child's hair, then using our Nourishing Growth Oil and applying it to the ends, the scalp, and the child's hair. It really helps to boost that conditioner and give it an extra boost to help with dryness. If your child is experiencing lots of dryness, I definitely recommend you using our Nourishing Growth Oil paired with our Avocado and Banana Deep Conditioner, because it's really going to help with restoring more moisture to the child's hair, making the hair more manageable, giving the hair a lot more shine, and guess what? It's going to enhance the hair growth. So if dryness is a big issue, I would definitely recommend you doing a hot oil treatment at least every wash day if you can. We push for every wash day with the hot oil treatment. If you can't do every wash day, at least once a month, do a hot oil treatment. And as you see, I didn't have to heat the oil up because Reagan is going to sit under the steamer afterwards. So if your child is going to sit under a steamer, there's no need to warm the oil up to make it hot.
Now I'm steaming my hair.
I'll have set under the steamer for at least 10 to 15 minutes. You then want to rinse out the Avocado and Banana Deep Conditioner and apply our Moisturizing Leave-In Detangler to the child's hair while it's still wet. As you'll see, I sprayed a little bit more water on Reagan's hair after applying the Leave-In Detangler because her hair wasn't wet enough to me, and so I wet it down just a little bit more and applied a little bit more of the Leave-In Detangler. Now it's time to style Reagan's hair. I'm parting Reagan's hair in a section right now. I'm spraying our Moisturizing Aloe Hair Mist, then applying our Moisturizing Leave-In Detangler, and then I'm applying some Mango Butter Souffle to seal the moisture inside of Reagan's hair. And the oil that you see me squeezing into the cap, that's our Nourishing Growth Oil. I double seal Reagan's hair. Reagan has low porosity, very fine curly hair. Her hair is very kinky curly, and so her hair is more prone to dryness. So if your child don't really struggle with dryness too much, then you can skip the oil phase, the O, and just apply the leave-in conditioner and the mango butter souffle or shea butter souffle to seal the moisture inside of your child's hair. So the style that you see me doing here, you see I'm not using any combs. I'm pretty much just finger detangling Reagan's hair. This is just a quick 2-strand twist style that I'm putting into her hair for a protective style. She'll wear this for a couple of days with a cute little headband or whatever, however we style it, and I'll take this down probably in about 4 or 5 days, and she'll rock a twist out. And you'll see by doing these steps that I'm showing you here, you would not have to apply any more product to your child's hair after taking these twists down. Your child's hair will be super moisturized, very soft and shiny, even after a week later.
Love you guys. Subscribe for more videos.